In this short video, I want to talk about lettering for maps, invitation, gem labels, and most important, for fun. It's not a calligraphy lesson, just some simple exercises. Trace two lines, parallel lines, light lines, black or color, and write in the middle. Use your usual way of writing, nothing special, in capital. Then, concentrate yourself on spacing. Try to keep the same space between letters. If you want, you can enlarge the space like this. Keeping a regular space between letters makes the difference. It gives a sense of order. If you have a nice letter but a bad spacing, doesn't work so well. And now it's time to do some stretching exercise to see what happens when you stretch your letters. And see also what happens when you escape the straight lines, like this. Here you can try to write in italic. Remember, don't be perfect. The idea is to keep going, writing with your way of writing, and see at the end the result. Ornaments and border are funny and nice to see, very useful. Here you have some examples. If you want more, you can Google calligraphy ornaments and you'll find plenty of different kind of this stuff. Maybe someone wants to know why the quick brown fox keep jumping over that poor lazy dog. Calligraphers and typographers love to use it, because in this short sentence you have all the 26 letters of the alphabet. Write this and you'll be sure to test all letters.